Hey all, how y'all doing? It's the weekend, baby, and I just want to have a good time. Thank you for tuning in. LLC with Ty. I am Ty, Twana Yvette. Today I want to share with y'all. Okay, got some friends. They came over, right? All right, I see them pulling up. I open the door. All right, y'all come on in real quick. I'm gonna finish changing. We're going out for dinner. Okay, fantastic. It's the weekend, feeling good. All right, everything going well. Right. So they gonna run to the store, get the drinks for the after the restaurant drinks. All right, and while I'm scrolling through messages, minding my business, again, everything's going well. And we're gonna talk about it. Them DMs and the EMs and the TMs, and I'm telling it. So y'all come on back, because we putting it all out there today. As we're chopping it up. So that's where my mind is at. And then lo and behold, oh my goodness, what is going on? How I get busted? By no means, let me just go ahead and put this out there. Pause everything. By no means is my channel at all saying, that okay, this is a sexual situation. I'm looking for a date. Please DM, EM, TM me for a get together. By no means will you find that in the description or anything where else. So again, listen, let me just go ahead and make this very clear. I will continue to block, okay? Yes, even if that means, lowering the subscription count, okay? Hey, stop it with the nonsense. Just stop, okay? It is so. Let me get to the kicker. So again, I feel busted. Everybody looking at me with the side eye. Why? Y'all, I know the person. What on earth is going on? That's just half of it. They're married. They're married. What? Okay, put it in the comments if you have ever encountered such an awkward, inappropriate, ridiculous situation such as this. Why am I getting a DM, TM, EM, what have you, from someone not only that I know, but they're married. So put it in the comments if you have ever run into this type of situation, whether it be at your job, whether it be, a friend of a friend of a friend, oh my God, even a family member, right? So, mind you, that's getting ready to get nipped today, okay? I'm gonna go eat, okay? We're gonna go do that first. We're gonna go ahead and manage up them drinks. That's all good. Okay, we're gonna handle that. I don't, that's got to get taken care of. It is the weekend. But no. It will not be yet another day before that gets nipped. We're gonna nip that today. So please stop. Please just stop. Again, block. Not happening. That's not what this channel was created for. That's not in the description. You're not gonna find that in any of the videos. So what on earth? Like, stop it already. Please do share, if you can, anonymously. But again, I like to, peruse through my emails, text messages, what have you, whatever, DMs, and respond to people. A lot of people have questions. And again, let me go ahead and share and clarify again. No, the 50 you see in my description, I know many do not take the time to read through. That's okay. I share it. I'm proud of it. It is not a typo. It is not a typo. 50. It is not a typo. That is my age. And very proud of it. Why? Number one, because I'm above the earth. I'm still here. There's still breath in my body, right? I'm living, I'm walking, eating, sleeping, breathing. I'm very proud to be here. Very proud of that number. there are quite a few of my family members that left at a very early age, and that would include my mom. So why on earth would I be ashamed and make that a secret? I know, and I do kind of consider myself old school, but at the same time, not that kind of old school. Nah, we're not hiding that. Yeah, that's 50. It's in the description. It's true. It's not a typo. It's real. And again, I'm not ashamed. And what's the other one? One of the number one questions I get is how old am I and where am I from? I am from Queens, New York, South Side Jamaica. Uh, so grew up on 147th Street. Y'all may be familiar with Sufton Boulevard. I'm not sure. Shout out where you from. Leave a comment. If you're familiar with New York, shout out, put it in the comments. Family and friends, and everyone else from around the world that's watching it on a replay. Definitely. And got family on 132nd Street, all of that, and definitely throughout Brooklyn. Of course, Long Island, can't forget Long Island. Have family in Islip. Those of you that's familiar, very beautiful area. Anyway, of course, the Bronx. And so that's a number one question, but definitely these DMs that is just inappropriate. You open them, you thinking, okay, let me respond. Let me try to, manage all the comments and so forth. To those that continue to comment, again, DM, emails, text messages, whatever. They're not putting it literally in the comment section, but again, I try to respond to most people. So, and just please with the inappropriate sexual listen, it's block. It's not going nowhere. So stop it. But thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and head out and we're gonna go ahead and get that happening. If y'all doing something fun, put it in the comments. Share what you doing this weekend, and we again gonna head back here and enjoy some more drinks after dinner. But again, I know that most of you, watching would definitely understand. So it's getting taken care of today. Doesn't matter, he, she, whomever. If you had, and if you got that situation going on currently in your life, do please again share it in the comments. But definitely interesting to find out where, when, how did you react? How did you handle it? But mine is getting taken care of today. No, that strangers is one thing, but people come on now. Come on. Y'all have a good weekend. Thank you for tuning in. LLC with Ty. Till next time, y'all stay blessed. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You are greatly appreciated, of course. And until next time, thank you for tuning in.